Aiboan, welcome to eashkitchen. Today we are going to make one of the best authentic beef dish called beef bistake. It's ideal for chill out drink. I hope you will enjoy this cooking program. Follow my video properly and enjoy the cooking. Let's check the ingredients. Beef, pepper, turmeric, we call yellow powder, the easiest way, and the cinnamon, white vinegar, curry leaves, lemongrass and rampe, ginger garlic, and tomato, onion, chili and capsicum. There will be a few techniques on my video. Please follow those properly. Okay, let's make the ginger garlic paste with the traditional way. Let's add the ginger and garlic, black pepper powder, turmeric, yellow color powder, little bit vinegar, and salt to taste. Okay, let's marinate and keep for 1 hour to absorb all the flavors. Okay, let's add the beef. Add some lemongrass, curry leaves, cardamom and cloves, and cinnamon. And add water. It's around 200 to 300 milliliters. And keep for 12 minutes to cook. Okay, let's cut the onion. Okay, let's check the beef. Wow, it's almost cooked. We need this little bit gravy for the ending once we tempering with the onions and tomatoes. So let's take this gravy. Okay, let's add the oil. Okay, we're going to add oil to temper the beef. Have to fry it a little bit. Okay, we'll add pepper a little bit. Okay, let's add the little more ginger and garlic and onion and capsicum and chili. Now tomatoes. Add, check the salt and add for your taste. Now you have to add the flavorful Bistek gravy. Just cook for 2 minutes in the low heat. Okay, let's check the beef. Amazing flavor and delicious smell. Okay, let's serve to the table. So friends, this will be the amazing beef bistake. I hope you will enjoy this cooking program. Please follow me on Instagram and subscribe me on YouTube to get more authentic food dishes. And have a great day.